And we're back with our end of day report review. Yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger reports. All right, so the first chart we have here is the Bitcoin futures, knowing that this market is still neutralized and has been for the week. So we're not doing any activity in the Bitcoin futures for now. We're waiting till the market comes off neutralized, and then we will make our trades then. Right now, the market is struggling at that 25,000 support, which is the bottom of the Kumo cloud. You don't want to see prices dip below that. If it does, and we have consecutive closes below 25,000, then there's going to be a very quick drop to 20,000 and below. So just FYI on that situation. Moving forward, we got silver. And I should also note here too that just FYI, Monday is a holiday, Memorial Day, I think it is. So the markets will be closed. Of course, your futures like to have weird trading hours, closing at like 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard. So Friday is going to be very low volume, light volume. People are going to want to start the 3-day weekend early. There will be no PulseWave videos on Sunday and none on Monday in observance of the 3-day holiday weekend. However, the reports will go out on Sunday, and they will also go out on Monday night. All right, so the reports will go out, just won't be any videos or anything. All right, so here is silver, and as you can see here, silver did not survive the support. All right, we got to close below the Kumo cloud. Not good. $23, didn't hold. So now the next support is 22.50. We got as low as 22.80, but the next support is 22.50. That 22.50 needs to hold. If it does not, and we get consecutive closes below 22.50, this market is going to fall apart, and you need to know that. All right. The bull market is in jeopardy. We got a bearish trend momentum reading that is getting deeper and deeper, giving you more and more downside production. That is a scary thing for a market that is supposed to be rallying and trending bullish. All right, so do or die for silver. Next up, we got nat gas. Nat gas is bull market with a neutralize now. So this market just cannot seem to get it together. This is 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th consecutive neutralize that we've gotten in the last couple of weeks, and the market is just really struggling. I think once we get some consecutive closes above $3, then the market can wake up and take that rally and attempt to get back up toward the $7, $8, $9, and $10 range. Next up is the Dow. So the Dow futures, once again, did not successfully close above 33,000. 33,000 support, which is the bottom of the Kumo cloud, has failed. And now the Dow Jones futures is in free fall status. Now, because of the Memorial Weekend holiday, generally these kind of patriotic holidays tend to have the markets get a little bit of bounce. Not necessarily a huge rally, but enough of a bounce. What is probably going to help that bounce scenario play out on Friday is the fact that the NASDAQ has pretty much exploded, and you're going to see that chart in a minute. And that's due to NVIDIA. All right, just one stock, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is causing the NASDAQ futures to rally 400 points. So, yeah. Right now, this market is in free fall. The Dow is in trouble. This negative bot check is playing out smoothly. You're getting mad downside production. So just FYI, you still got a bearish trend momentum reading in the bull market, which means the market's still in sell or rally mode, and we haven't been seeing much of a rally now, have we? All right, so the next chart that comes up here is the infamous NASDAQ. The NASDAQ 100 futures is in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, hitting back to back 52-week highs. All right, that is duly noted. This bear market rally has gone on and has persisted. All right, we see that. All right, we'll give you that. And we see you have a rally alert going into tonight into tomorrow's trading for Take Back Friday. So if the market does continue to rally, we expect that because of the Memorial Day weekend. Even if it pulls back a little bit here, we expect that too. So now the market is relocked in on this bear market rally, and it wants to go a little bit higher, wants to squeeze out a little bit more if it can here. Now, we did hit 14,000 today before pulling back into the close. So the 14,000 mark was hit. Now, the old resistances zones back here was the 13,700 range, and the market bested that with consecutive closes above that. And that was this old resistance back here. So now the market, the next psychological zone, if you will, is 14,000. All right, 14,000 is where the market hit today. So it's in order to say, yeah, this bear market rally wants to continue, we need to see some consecutive closes above 14,000. All right, so that's just something else to think about moving forward. And the NASDAQ is its own thing right now. The other indices are not like the NASDAQ, not even a little bit. Here's gold. Now, gold is in a bearish trend momentum formation. We have a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading, which means that gold is in the sell the rally modes. But if you look over the last week, we haven't really done so much, not really doing a lot. All right, because you're right in the middle of the Kumo cloud. So nothing's really happening. But that 1900 is going to need to be tested here soon. And I believe that it will be. So just FYI on that as well. All right. There's no buying until this trend momentum reading turns green again. Right now it's red. It's in the sell the rally mode. So you got to do what you got to do until the market can clearly test in the 1900 range and survive it. Looking at the S&P 500, it's in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading. What can I say? The trend has reclaimed the price action in the S&P. You're in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading, and you need to test 4,000. 4,100 has been tested clearly, but now the market needs to test the 4,000. The 4,000 is a key psychological support area that must hold. If it doesn't, the S&P 500 is going to fall apart, and we could see prices below 3,500. All right, in the very near future. Again, the stock indices are doing, are looking mad bearish, except for the Nasdaq. The other markets are not participating, as I've shown you. Okay, so crude oil has gone back onto the neutralized. We were bull market, bullish trend momentum reading locked in, but now something is happening as the market bested and got inside the Kumo cloud. The market has immediately retreated from that and treating the bottom of the Kumo cloud as a resistance zone, giving a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, but it's a neutralized. So we're going to step aside. It's looking like the market is preparing itself that when it comes off neutralized, it wants to come out here and take out this bearish pointer. So we're stepping aside. Neutralized markets, we step aside. We don't do anything there. We let the market come off neutralized, and we keep it moving. On the reports, the neutralized reading, you'll see it. It'll say 0 under the trend momentum reading. It'll give you a 0. And that's how you know it's a neutralized market. All right. It's neither bullish nor bearish. It's neutralized. So if you see a 0 under the trend momentum reading on the reports, that is exactly what it's telling you. It's a neutralized market. And, I don't trade neutralized markets. I wait for the market to come off neutralized, and then I trade accordingly. if you want to take a swing at it like a day trade just to test the waters, you can clearly do so. All right, the price triggers will still show for you, but just the trend momentum reading is zeroed out, letting you know it is definitely a neutralized situation. All right, moving to the next one here, we got the Russell. So the Russell is in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading. The market's in the buy, the dip by the pullback mode. You can see here the market is now falling back outside of the Kumo cloud and threatening to go red. It's looking like the market is getting ready to reclaim the price action in the Russell. This green line may be turning red any day now. We'll see. It hasn't done so yet, so the market's still in the buy the pullback, buy the dip mode until it isn't. All right, so just get ready because this thing could go red any day now. All right, so definitely keep your eyes on the price action and follow the reports. Follow them to a T. They will not lead you wrong. Next up, we got the dollar. The dollar's in a bull market with a bullish trend momentum reading, which means you're in a locked-in bull market in the dollar. The dollar has powered up on you like I warned you that it could. And we hit the 104 territory today, and the market wants to go higher. I think we're going to get up toward the 109, 110 range. So just prepare your hearts and minds for a much stronger dollar. I know it's a bizarre world we're living in, but hey, what do you want me to tell you? It is what it is. All right, Ethereum futures. Ethereum futures are unlike the Bitcoin futures at the moment. All right, so you're in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, which means the market's trying to do a bear market rally, but it's struggling. We're just moving sideways here in the trading range, and the support is around let's see, 1737. All right, so 1737 is your support, and then your resistance is at the 1900. All right, so as long as the support holds, then the market will be good to go. But if we do not hold that seven and the market crashes below that 1700, it puts it in a free fall status, and then we're coming way low, people. We're going to drop hundreds of dollars in the Ethereum if the supports do not hold. All right, so there you have it, folks. That is what we're working with going into Take Back Friday. Yeah, I know the indices just won't quit, right? But you know, you can't you can't expect for the markets to do nothing forever. The debt ceiling is just one issue among many. Many more issues abound, such as the whole debt to GDP issue, the economic issues that are happening right now in the country. America is facing some situations of direness that is going to need to work itself through. And if it doesn't, then they're going to turn the lights out, and they're going to wake up to a totally different world. It's not going to be the same country that you remember when you went to bed that night. So with that being said, man, hope everyone enjoy the 3-day holiday weekend. Have fun, relax, do fun things with friends and family. Take some chill time for yourself. I mean, just enjoy the 3-day weekend. And remember, the system works if you work the system. All right. So bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And with that being said, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.